Doran Regional Park is in the coastal community of Bodega Bay, about 90 minutes from both San Francisco and Sacramento. It's surrounded by Bodega Harbor on one side and Bodega Bay on the other. The wide, sandy beach is about 2 miles long and faces south, so it's more protected than other Sonoma Coast beaches. That makes it one of Sonoma County's most popular parks and a great destination for families. Some of the most common activities are simply to enjoy a walk on the beach or to play in the sand. It's also an ideal place for picnicking, kite flying, boogie boarding, kayaking, bird watching, and camping. The park has more than 100 tent and RV campsites available year-round. There are a lot of important things to know about camping here and reserving a site, so please visit our website for more information. The park also has a boat launch for ocean fishing, and you can fish or crab off the rock jetty. Doran is dog-friendly, as long as dogs stay on leash, and equestrians are welcome to ride designated sections of the beach. The park has an ADA-accessible kayak launch, and all-terrain wheelchairs are available at no charge. It's easy to visit adjacent parks from Doran. The Birdwalk Coastal Access Trail is connected to the park and offers a 1-mile loop around a biodiverse salt marsh that is a critical stopover on the Pacific Flyway bird migration route. Pinnacle and Shorttail Gulch Coastal Access Trails and Bodega Head and Sonoma Coast State Park are also nearby. When planning your visit, remember that Bodega Bay weather can be very different from inland areas and can change throughout the day. Bring layers so you're prepared for warm or chilly conditions. Doran gets busy when inland temperatures rise and on holidays and weekends. On those days, plan to arrive by mid-morning or late afternoon for the best chance to get a parking spot. Rangers close the park entrance when the lot fills, so have an alternate destination in mind. Please help protect the beach and its wildlife by trashing your trash. That means putting any litter in trash cans or taking it out of the park with you. Trash left behind can harm birds and animals and pollute the ocean. Visit SonomaCountyParks.org today to plan your trip. Become a Parks member and receive a free night of camping, free parking, free boat launching, and other benefits.